The 2025 Tokyo Auto Salon has witnessed some of the most extreme and captivating car modifications, and one standout has been Kuhl's wide-body kits applied to the Toyota GR Supra and Nissan Fairlady Z. These radical transformations have redefined what we expect from iconic sports cars, blending the aggressive nature of Japanese drift cars and the wild spirit of Bosozoku tuning culture from the Showa era. With their bold, angry samurai aesthetics, Kuhl's custom creations are turning heads worldwide, sparking debates about whether they are masterpieces or just over-the-top expressions of automotive style. Kuhl's approach to modifying the Nissan Fairlady Z with the Spec-D widebody kit is nothing short of radical. The transformation adds an eye-popping 80mm to each side of the car through ultra-wide fenders and matte black extensions, dramatically altering its stance. The bodywork is further enhanced with pronounced side skirts, giving the Z a wider, more aggressive presence. But this kit isn't just about visual impact. It's a comprehensive overhaul that includes custom front and rear bumpers, a massive front splitter, and a towering rear wing, all inspired by the look of time attack racers. The bamboo spear-style quad tailpipes add a final flourish to the car's intimidating rear end, signaling Kuhl's commitment to a bold, uncompromising design language. Underneath, the Nissan Z rests on 19-inch forged two-piece Vers Krone 04 wheels, wider than the stock rims, providing both an aesthetic and performance boost. The Air Force Super Performance suspension drops the car to the ground, ensuring a low, track-ready stance. While there are no performance upgrades announced for the Z's 3.0-liter twin-turbo V6 engine, the Spec-D kit makes an undeniable statement, ensuring the Fairlady Z is more about presence than sheer power. Interestingly, while this one-off build made its debut at the Tokyo Auto Salon, many of the components are available for purchase in Japan, giving other enthusiasts the opportunity to transform their own Fairlady Z into a beastly road warrior. Equally eye-catching is Kuhl's treatment of the Toyota GR Supra. The Spec-D widebody kit, also designed by Kuhl, takes the Supra's already aggressive looks and ramps them up to a new level of controversy. Drawing inspiration from the Orda Racing GR Supra that competes in Japan's D1GP Drift Series, the customized Supra features a redesigned front bumper with angular surfacing and massive intakes, a more aggressive splitter, and integrated canards that enhance its aerodynamic profile. The bulging bonnet, while sacrificing some driver visibility, adds to the car's muscular, race-ready stance. On the side, vented fender extensions provide the Supra with an even more dynamic appearance, reminiscent of Le Mans race cars. The rear end of the GR Supra is where things get truly bold. An oversized rear spoiler, combined with a roof-mounted wing, not only increases downforce, but ensures the car stands out in a crowd. The sharp lines of the rear bumper, accentuated by a pronounced diffuser and quad tailpipes, deliver a visual punch that echoes the car's performance potential. Like the Nissan Z, the GR Supra rides on 19-inch forged alloys by Vers wheels, ensuring that the wheels match the aggressive aesthetic. The Supra's suspension has been upgraded with Air Force Super Performance components to give it a slammed, track-ready look. What's particularly intriguing is that the custom Supra is available for purchase, either as a complete vehicle or as standalone parts. Though Toyota may have stopped taking orders for the Supra in Japan, Kuhl offers enthusiasts a unique chance to own a modified version based on used Supras. Kuhl's widebody kits for the Toyota GR Supra and Nissan Z have elevated these already legendary sports cars to new heights. These creations are more than just cars. They are expressions of Japanese tuning culture, capturing the power, energy, and rebellious spirit of the country's car scene. Whether you see them as bold masterpieces or excessive modifications, there's no denying that Kuhl has crafted two of the most talked-about cars at the Tokyo Auto Salon 2025, cementing their place in the automotive world for years to come.